Hi there. This is one video that's going to show you how to access and play with this thing called Desmos graphing calculator right here on my website. So on the calendar you can see there's an assignment that's due January 8th. It's the long blue one here. Have this up and you're going to click more details, and what will happen is you'll see intro to graphing and then the graphing project. So we're going to do this for this video, intro to graphing. So click on that. And this is literally just a set of instructions that you're going to be typing directly into this app called Desmos. So back on my calendar or on my website, you click on the graphing app, and now you see I'm signed in right here. Well, you guys are going to have to create an account. This will look different for you. You'll have to click create an account, and when you do that, what will happen is it'll ask you to use your Google login. It'll appear right here in the center. Now I can't do that since I already have an account, so go ahead and click use your Google login and then scroll down and click OK. And what will happen is your name will pop up here. Well, since I already have an account, that's why I'm here. So now we're in Desmos, and you won't be able to save unless you are logged in. You see again it's logged in with my sign in here. So back to the instructions here. You're launching Desmos, you've done the calculator, and you're literally going to just do what it says here. Type this equation into the first box. Y equals 2x plus 1. So on the calculator, you type in y equals 2x plus 1. And obviously a line pops up. And let me give you what it's supposed to happen is eventually you guys are going to be actually creating this house. And you're going to save this, and it's going to show me that you know how to use Desmo. So actually this line right here is what you just graphed. You come back to it. Okay? So you continue to follow the instructions. Go ahead and click edit button and change the color of the line to black. So back here, this is the edit button, and you can change the color to black, and you're going to click done. And then you just scroll down and add another line, and you follow exactly the instructions that they say. There's one set of instructions I want you to pay particular importance to is this. It's the fact that our lines go on forever on our calculator. This goes on forever. If I zoom out, it just keeps going and going, and if I zoom in, it never stops. Well, this right here, this is where you're going to restrict the x values. So what it is like when you put this x between the 0 and the 2, it's only going to show up everything to the left of 0 and to the right of 2. So let me show you what that looks like. If I just cut and paste, well, it wouldn't let me, but you use a brace, and 0 is less than 2 is less than x, which is less than 2. Ignore the rest. And look what has just happened. It's only showing the x values between 0 and 2, and that's actually like the roof of this house right here. Okay? So this is just to get you to be familiar with Desmos. And go through and finish this, and when notice how it says save. Anytime there's a green light here, that means you can save your work. So what you're going to do is you're going to save it, and you don't want it an untitled graph. You want to save it as a house. So save it as a house. So now when you're done, you have proof that you can show me that you've completed your house. Okay? So that's what you're going to do for the first part of the day. Watch the second video to actually talk about the assignment that you're going to turn in on January 8th. This is just to get you familiar with how to use Desmos.